Unlock the future of elevators with G.hn Powerline. Are you looking to upgrade elevators with smart, connected technology? Introducing a game-changing solution, G.hn Powerline. Traditional upgrades fall short, twisted pair cables wear out, wireless setups suffer from interference, and new Ethernet wiring is expensive. But with G.hn Powerline, you can transform any elevator into a smart elevator using existing power lines. No new cables, no major overhauls, just plug in and go. It enables Wi-Fi inside elevators for seamless connectivity, supports IoT devices like IP cameras and intercoms, and ensures that in an emergency, occupants can call for help via FaceTime or WhatsApp. It also enables smarter, more efficient maintenance. With smart elevator cloud maintenance, failures, downtime, and costs are significantly reduced. Traditional maintenance relies on manual inspections, while AI-powered predictive maintenance automates issue detection and alerts, lowering labor demands. This is especially critical as rising costs and a shrinking workforce make skilled technicians harder to find. Remote monitoring further enhances efficiency, allowing maintenance teams to track elevator conditions in real time from a central control center and proactively dispatch technicians before issues arise. G.hn Powerline outperforms traditional solutions with up to 1.2 gigabit speeds over 300 meters, eliminating the need for extra power sources or costly installations. It's reliable, cost-effective, and fast, making it perfect for one elevator or an entire building. That means faster installation with minimal downtime and a cost-effective setup for both single and multi-elevator deployments. Plus, G.hn Powerline provides the best value, supporting up to 16 devices within a single network. Experience the power of Comtrend's PM-1540 and elevate your world with G.hn Powerline.